Hello, students. This is the voice of Miss Mary. And your teachers, Esperanza and Tere, told me that you are studying in your new project, Means of Transport. So this is what we are going to study in English this month. Let's get started with the vocabulary. Number 1,
airplane.
Number 2,
Car.
Number 3,
Train.
Number 4,
Rocket.
Number 5,
Helicopter.
Number 6,
Boat.
Number 7,
Bus.
and Number 8.
Mountain bike.
All right, let's listen to the song.
How did you get here? 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 I came here by aeroplane, by aeroplane, by aeroplane. I came here by car, by car, by car. And I came here by train, by train, by train. And I came here by rocket, by rocket, by rocket. How did you get here? 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 I came here by helicopter, by helicopter, by helicopter. I came here by boat, by boat, by boat. I came here by bus, by bus, by bus. I came here by mountain bike, by mountain bike, by mountain bike. How did you get here? How did you get here? How did you get here? How did you get here?
Okay, I hope you enjoyed a lot. Let's make a little bit of review, a little review. So, what's this? Try to answer with your family. Airplane. What's this? Car. What's this? Train. What's this? Rocket. What's this? Helicopter. What's this? Boat. What's this? Bus. And finally, what's this? Mountain bike. All right, see you in the next video. Bye bye.